The snooze button is a liar that steals your morning one 10-minute chunk at a time. Most of us are living in this half-awake fog where our brains simply are not capable of making good choices at 6 in the morning. That is exactly why this new setup called Flow is causing such a stir in the community of chronic snoozers. It is not just another app with a loud noise. It is a physical intervention. You get this tiny little dock that does not even need a battery or a charging cable. You stick it somewhere far away from your bed, like the kitchen counter or the bathroom mirror. When that alarm starts screaming, you could not just swipe it away while you are buried under the covers. The only way to make it stop is to actually stand up, walk across the house, and tap your phone against that little plastic disc. It uses sensor technology to prove you are physically there. But the real genius is what happens next. The app actually blocks your social media apps until you scan that dock. We have all been there. You wake up, you grab the phone, and suddenly 40 minutes have vanished because you were scrolling through news feeds. This system kills that habit instantly. You are forced to move. You are forced to be awake. Your digital distractions are held hostage until you prove you are out of bed. It is a fascinating approach to what scientists call sleep inertia. That is that heavy, groggy feeling where your willpower is basically zero. By turning the wake-up process into a mandatory physical task, the decision-making part is gone. You just do it. Now, the backstory here is actually pretty wild. The guy who created this is only 19 years old. He already had a massive win under his belt after selling a previous app for $30 million. He built this specific tool because he was struggling with his own morning scrolling habit. When a founder builds something to solve their own frustration, you usually get a much better product. It feels personal because it is. However, it is not all sunshine and perfect mornings. There was a bit of a rough patch with the early hardware units where you had to be really precise with where you tapped your phone. They've fixed that now, and they're even sending out free replacements if you got one of those early finicky ones. Then there is the talk about the price. The marketing says there is no subscription required, which is technically true for the basic alarm and the scanning feature. But if you want the fancy sleep tracking or those premium ambient sounds, you are going to hit a paywall. Some people felt a bit blindsided by that after they already bought the dock. If you are one of those lucky people who wakes up at the first beep, this is definitely overkill for you. You do not need a high-tech hostage situation to get your day started. But if you are the person setting 5 different alarms on 3 different devices and still ending up late for work, this might be the reality check your morning needs. It takes the choice out of your hands. It forces your feet onto the floor. Sometimes we just need a little bit of friction to break a bad habit. It is a clever, simple piece of tech that knows exactly who it is for. No more lying to yourself for 10 more minutes. The dock is waiting in the kitchen. It is time to actually wake up.